Atma Chatterjee, all the way from Kolkata, India, fighting out of Ronin Jiu-Jitsu and MMA. And Sangeeta Dhami, who fights out of Lock and Roll MMA. Sangeeta comes all the way from Mahendranagar, leaving her home, staying in Kathmandu, working as a trainer at Pump. Proma keeping that long guard. Watch out of the fingers, man. It might poke the eyes. Sangeeta putting the pressure in, keeping the fight on the feet.
Sangeeta's wrestling background.
Landed with right hand.
Strong. The power disparities. Suruma impose garcha Sangeetaले. Contrary to most of her previous fights, she wants to keep this on the feet. Landing strikes at will.
Proma is eating a lot of these punches. How much can she take? Sangeeta ko ball se fir keda ko sani.
Right?
No.
Sangeeta needs to be careful. Fingers are
Landed.
Man, this is.
She's
I
landed.
don't think this is gonna make it out of the first round. Sangeeta lands another overhand.
Proma doing a good job circling out, not getting caught in the fence.
Goes to the body.
Proma must be eating a lot of punches. Why not just try and level change and get a takedown of your own? That was a big right hand, Sangeeta.
Sangeeta's boxing has really improved. This is just a showcase for Sangeeta so far. Proma having no answers for Sangeeta's strikes. Sangeeta landing at will so far.
Big leg kick. Yeah, watch out of the eye pokes, man. She's been keeping her hands open. Hatmathi, hat close garera rakhena bhane pani, you need to, face the palm towards your opponent. Fingers mathi pointed hunuko lagi. You cannot point your fingers towards the fighter. But yeah, Sangeeta gets up to 5 minutes to settle in with that eye poke. And if she cannot continue after 5 minutes, this could possibly be a no contest, but I believe she will continue. We have 30 seconds remaining on the clock.
Brings into the body.
Proma landing a stiff jab. But Sangeeta right on her face against the cage, landing most of her punches thrown. That's the end of the first round, ladies and gentlemen. Punches.
Yes! Sangeeta, yes! Lift our right shot me over. Sangeeta! 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 Sangeeta!
Final round of this fight.
I know for sure Sangeeta wants to get to a finish.
Maybe this round she'll go to the ground, no?
I think that's the best option for Proma at this point.
Proma needs to level change when Sangeeta is swinging.
She's unable to use her reach advantage so far. Sangeeta's having a great day at the office in terms of striking, at least. She's able to go to the body and the head at will. Once again investing to that body. Sangeeta's distance management is really improved, eh? Your fight management. Even though she's the shorter fighter in this fight, she's been able to land the better straight punches distant strikes.
Proma's eye is battered, man. Left eye.
Right?
That's where Proma needs to dig in and try to at least get a takedown. Or maybe she also fears Sangeeta's grappling.
It should be, man. It should be feared. Sangeeta's a very accomplished wrestler, but today she wants to showcase her striking skills, and she's been able to do so far. There are no answers for Sangeeta's strikes tonight. I was behind Sangeeta for the last 30 seconds of this fight.
Sangeeta leading the fight, sticking to her basics. 1-2, 1-2-3, 1-2-3.
Hail Marys.
And landing most of the punches. Giving her different looks, leg kick, body punches. But Proma's also there right on her face, but respect to her for putting up a fight.
Proma's got a really good chin on herself.
That's the end of this bout.
Crazy fight, crazy.
Declaring your winner by unanimous decision from the record, Sangeeta Dhami.
There you go, ladies and gentlemen, your winner, Sangeeta Dhami, making her comeback fight. As you can see, she's very emotional right now. Awesome to see her able to get the chance to do what she loves doing.